Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is fall. Fall is in the air. It is approaching. I know y'all feel it. So I done pulled out my little fall wig. But today we're just gonna do a shop with me. I'm actually going inside Pottery Barn and we're gonna see what they have available for this fall season. I'm really kind of getting into the spirit kind of early. Like I feel it. I want to cook already. I'm ready for Thanksgiving. I'm ready for the weather to get cooler, colder. It's already getting cooler, but I'm ready for it to get cold. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So hopefully I can show you what they have. And then if you see anything you like, then you're welcome to go on Pottery Barn or go to a Pottery Barn near you and purchase it for yourself. So yeah, this is going to be a quick walk through shop with me. And let's see what we can find for fall. Y'all, one thing I love about Pottery Barn is that it does not matter what your style is. You can always find something in here, whether your style is industrial, contemporary, glam, they have it all. And they just really do a good job of mixing metals with wood and different textures. So I love it so much. You can see some of their fall decor here right now. The pampas grass leaves are extremely popular. You can find these everywhere. Here, even I picked up some from Hobby Lobby the other day that were already 50% off, which was a great price. But you see they even have the glass pumpkins. So I know y'all see me looking at furniture right now. I know this is not necessarily fall decor, but let me just let y'all know what is happening. So I have decided that I want to go ahead and just redecorate the house. I don't remember if I've said this or not, but I am looking for some new furniture and I'm finally going to get what I want, which is a cream couch. But I just have to make sure that I pick the right fabric. They do have performance fabrics that you can get that are very easily to clean, that liquid repels off of. So that is what I'm looking for. So forgive me for looking at the furniture, but hey, y'all get to see what they have too. And then, of course, y'all know fall decor is not complete without candles. You gotta have the scents for fall. So make sure y'all go out and get y'all some pumpkin spice, latte, all those good smelling candles. Y'all know they put out every fall. Go and grab some because it just does not feel like fall without it. Y'all, so they just brought out all of this outdoor stuff and all of these wall shelves. Everything here is $10. So guess what? I gotta put y'all down and I gotta start digging through to see what I want, because $10 for party barn stuff. Are y'all serious? These are actually really nice. These are outdoor pillows, and the type of fabric it is kind of like plasticky, but it's perfect for outside. So I mean, hey, I might get them. All right, y'all, so I left Pottery Barn, but let me show y'all. I only got one thing. Look, I got a shelf, and the regular price of this shelf was $149.03. Y'all, look how much I got this shelf for.
$10? What, you changed the sticker price?
No. They had a huge sale. They was bringing out a bunch of stuff from the back, and they was like, everything can go for $9.47. They had shelves, outdoor pillows. I wanted to get it, but I'm like, the outdoor pillows just gonna sit until the summer, so I should have got it though, but I didn't. But I'm gonna show y'all the shelf. The shelf is huge, and it was actually supposed to, $9.97. I thought it was $9.47. $9.97. Yes, and it was a $150 shelf, so I got it. Y'all, look how thick this thing is, and it is a gorgeous wood tone. So I really don't know exactly where I'm gonna put this, but I'm like, I'm not gonna pass this up for $10. It is, I mean, it is a really nice shelf, and look how long it is. If I had to guess, I'm gonna say 4.5 feet, something like that. But it is really nice, and it has a little ledge, so if I wanted to just put it up and let artwork rest on it or something, I don't know, I'm gonna find a need for it, but I was not about to leave it there for $9 and some change, so had to get it. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.